Efforts to make the Solomon Islands justice system more inclusive took a major step forward this week as legal agencies completed a 3-day workshop on the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Simon Tavake reports.
A 3-day workshop on access to justice and the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability, CRPD, has concluded today at the Heritage Park Hotel in Honiara. The workshop brought together various legal agencies and professionals to deepen the understanding of the CRPD. It was supported by the Australian government through the Australia-Solomon Islands Partnership for Justice, aimed at strengthening the country's justice sector to better protect the rights of persons with disabilities.
So the main key objectives are cover over these 3 days, and more around the Convention on the Rights of People with Disabilities, or CRPD in Mikolem for short. So Mifala come back together for 3 days, just for go through what the CRPD is about and how relevant law, WACAB law, those inside law and justice sector. The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, new what I just signed in 2023. So it's very important that Otagarem the awareness. So the part of the CRPD is also around awareness. So the awareness and sensitization around what the CRPD is for the able for waka with him or engage with him, people with disabilities, tamota access him legal services within the law and justice sector.
Meanwhile, technical advisor for the blind and visually impaired people of Solomon Islands and facilitator Eddie Babanisi says he hopes the legal professionals now have a clearer understanding of the convention.
The thing we will hope to get them by the end of the 3 days. We want these lawyers to know, to know about this convention, so that time to go back to their various waka blogata and not by for waka for changing what for help for changing what the laws for country. Bapa what sabe use him now. What sabe aware that there is a convention so waka now according that one for help for domesticating now. What laws and one for a particular group where we are happy that law here too, law reform and law AG as well, Attorney General.
Simon Tavake, SIBC TV.